Accidentally deleting an important file is a stomach-dropping moment, but it is often fixable. In this video, we will show you how to recover deleted files in Windows. Your first stop should always be the recycle bin. When you delete a file normally, it goes there rather than vanishing instantly. Open it, find your file, right-click, and choose Restore. It returns to its original location. But what if you emptied the recycle bin? Do not panic. If you have file history or a backup turned on, you can right-click the folder where the file lived, choose Restore Previous Versions, and recover an earlier copy. Windows also offers a tool called File Recovery for deeper cases, available through the Microsoft Store. The most important tip is to stop using the drive immediately, because new data can overwrite the deleted file and make recovery impossible. Acting quickly gives you the best chance of success. While not every file can be saved, many can, and setting up regular backups now means you will rarely face this stressful situation again.